Hello friends, how are you? Hope so. You are all great. I'm also fine. Today, my friend, I'm going to tell you regarding get. Okay? Regarding get. In my previous lecture, I discussed a lot of things regarding get and when you will use and how you will use get. I think you got a lot of informations from my previous lecture 1 and lecture 2. This is lecture 3, okay? And today I will discuss regarding get and the get to get is used as a verb, okay, in sentences. So before get started, I would like to say one thing to get, okay? To get, I think you all know that to get is a very commonly used verb in English and had many different uses and meanings, okay? So my friends, let's see. My friend, I mentioned 5 sentences so that you can understand properly, okay? So let's see one sentence, okay? Number 1, where did you get this information? I repeat this sentence. Where did you get this information? Okay, so instead of this sentence, I can say, where did you find this information? So to get equal to find, okay? You can see, my friend, I wrote you for your better understanding, okay? Here get is used as a find, okay? In formal language, naturally we use find, but in our spoken language, native speakers always use get, and we call it informal, okay? And native speakers and foreign people, I think, very much like to use get in their daily conversation, okay? So where did you get this information? That means, where did you find this information? Okay, I think, my friend, what am I trying to understand? What am I trying to tell you? I think you got the details, okay? Number two, how can I get there? Okay, how can I get there? This sentence means what? Instead of this sentence, okay, I can say, how can I travel there, or how can I go there? Okay, get is used here as a travel, okay? So I write here for your better understanding, to get equality to travel or to go. So my friends, you have to set up your mind first where you will get. I think after very much practicing daily by using get in your sentences, I think you will use get properly, okay, in your spoken language, or when you want to talk to your friends. I think that time you will not feel shy, or you will not mistake, okay? So my friends, I would like to say number 3, can I get you a drink? Can I get you a drink? Here get means to give or to serve, okay? So instead of using get here, I would like to say, Can I serve you a drink? Can I serve you a drink? This is can I serve you a drink? This is very much formal. And when you use get in this concept and sentence, I think would be informal, and it's very much and it would be very much, I think, standard. Okay. Next, number 4. I will get you there on time. Here I wrote I'll. That means I will. Okay. I will. The contraction form is, or short form is, I'll get you there on time. That means I will take you there on time. Get means take. Okay. Here I write here to get equal to bring or to take. I think, my friend, you understood properly. Okay. Number 5. Get the thief. Get the thief, that means catch the thief or stop the thief. Okay. So we won't use here get. We will use catch. Okay. Catch the thief or stop the thief. When we use this catch the thief or stop the thief, it would be very much formal. Okay. You know that very well, my friend. When you will use get in your daily conversation, and the sentence will be, I think, very much smooth, and I think it would be informal. And informal languages, okay, always used in our daily conversation, and native speakers always love to use this informal language in their spoken, okay, daily speaking. So, my friends, I discussed 5 sentences by using get as a verb. Okay. So now, my friend, I write here one structure, that means get with preposition. Okay. Get with preposition. So preposition, I think I didn't discuss, but in my next lecture, I think when I will discuss regarding preposition, I think you will learn more, and you will get the informations regarding preposition properly. Okay. So I would like to say prepositions. Prepositions are naturally to, by, with, over, for. Okay. So etc. Okay. So these are the prepositions, and I will discuss here get with prepositions. Get with preposition. Okay. So I write 4 sentences. Get with prepositions for a better understanding. Okay. So my friends, let's see. Number 1. I get up about 6 o'clock in the morning. I repeat this sentence. I get up about 6 o'clock in the morning. I get up, that means to arise. Okay. To arise. So when you want to use arise, I think you will use get with prepositions. I think when you will understand this sentence, I think you can use get properly in your in your daily conversation. Okay, like this sentence. Okay, my friends, next sentence. we got along well together and had long conversations. Okay, so get along means what? So get along means, I write here, my friend, look, to have a good relationship. To have a good relationship. Okay, so we got along well together and had long conversations. That means good relationships. Okay. Number 3, maybe I can get back before dark. Okay, so get back means what here? Get back means to return, to go back. Okay, so when you want to use get back, so you have to understand the meaning should be to return, to go back. Okay, when I think you will know get back meanings, return or to go back. I think you can apply your brain in sentences, okay, by using get back. Okay, my friend, next sentence. We are having a little get together to celebrate Jack's birthday. Okay, so get together means what? Get together means to unite, to meet or link. Okay, so I would like to say this sentence again. We are having a little get together. So get together means to unite. So you have many friends or some friends, and you planned. Okay, you planned for a party. So friends actually come to this party, in this party, and you will meet them. Okay, that means get together. Okay, I think, my friends, I discussed today to get is used as a verb in our in sentences, and what its expressions in our daily languages, in our daily spoken languages, in our daily conversations. Okay, I think my friends, you got little bit informations regarding get is used as a verb in these sentences. Okay, and I think you understand properly, and you understand, I think, little bit information from this my lecture 3. So my friend, that's all for today, and I hope I will discuss in my lecture 4 regarding get with more informations, with more expressions, with authentic. I think you will get some informations from my lecture 4, okay, regarding get. So my friends, that's all for today, and hope you enjoyed a lot from this video, and you got little bit informations that you wanted. I think when and where naturally you will use get. I think you got the informations. Okay, so my friends, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, so that when you upload new videos regarding any topics, you can see. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.